Hello, this is Peter from First Maths. Today we're going to be looking at making rectangular arrays for Year 2. The resources you need: giant number fans for each child, number lines, pegs and pegboards, 0 to 15 number cards, several each, counters and cubes, dotted paper and square grid. Mental learning objective: I can count in 5s and 10s to hear the pattern. I can identify multiples of 2, 5 and 10 by looking at the final digit. The mental learning task. Today's lesson will build on previous learning about multiples. Today we are starting by counting in 5s and 10s. Remind the children of the patterns they can hear when they count. Let's start by counting in 10s, starting from 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. If you notice, all of those numbers ended in a 0. Let's start by counting in 5s, starting from 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. This time, if you looked at the numbers, it went 5, and then the next one was 10, so ended in a 0. 15 ends in a 5. 20 ends in a 0. 25 ends in a 5, so it goes 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, as the last, as the unit goes up. Look at the class number line. What multiples of 2 are there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And you can keep going all the way up to 100 if you wished. But pause the video if you do. What do the numbers end in? They end in a 0, a 2, a 4, a 6, an 8. And then 10 ends in 0 again. And then the 12 ends in a 2, 14 ends in a 4, 16 ends in a 6, 18 ends in an 8, and 20 ends in a 0 again. So if you see, there is a pattern. Look at the class number line. What multiples of 5 are there? Again, we will see the pattern. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5 is the pattern, isn't it? What the numbers end in? They end in a 0 or a 5. Look at the class number line. What multiples of 10 are there? What do the numbers all end in? This time, you will notice all the numbers end in a 0. Make some of your own multiples. So, maybe you could count up in 3s and count along the number line going up in 3s. Or maybe you can be counting up in 7s or 11s. Pause the video and do different multiples. You will show a number which is a multiple of 2. Keep your number hidden until your teacher says go. So, think of a number which is a multiple of 2. Then when your teacher asks you to tell you the number, you shout it out or you show it, and then you count on from your multiple of 2. Go! You will show a number which is a multiple of 5. So think of a number which is in the 5 times table: 35, 45, 50. And you can then show your teacher your multiple of 5 on your number fan. Keep your number hidden till your teacher says go. Go! You will show a number which is a multiple of 10 on your number fan. When your teacher says 3 to 1, show me, you can show them. Keep your number hidden until your teacher says go. Go! Here is a mental learning objective. I can count in 5s and 10s to hear the pattern. I can identify multiples of 2, 5 and 10 by looking at the final digit. The main learning objective. I can arrange objects into a rectangular array. I can see a rectangular array in 2 different ways. Here is the main learning task. Sit in pairs. Give each pair a pegboard. Give a number card from 10 to 15. Read the number and count out that many pegs. Pause the video while you do this. You need to arrange your pegs into a rectangular array like this. So this one would be 2 times 5. So you would have 10 in a rectangular array. This is not a rectangular array. This looks like a rectangle, but it is not, because they have to have the same number of counters or pegs in each line. You need, here you'd have to have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You would need here 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 1, 2, 3, 4 for it to become a rectangular array. Did your number work? If your way did work, you can talk about it in 2 different ways. This array could be 2 lots of 5 or 5 lots of 2. So all even numbers can be made into an array. Give each pair another card. Will it make an irregular array? Record your findings on dotted paper. Challenges to make it harder for you. Give children numbers from 20 to 32 to work with. Give them numbers 24 or 36 and challenge them to find all the ways that numbers can make regular arrays. If you want, you could also help them by showing them some times tables. Here is the main learning objective. I can arrange objects into rectangular arrays. I can see a rectangular array in 2 ways. Ask a number a child worked with, for a number a child worked with. Predict if any array can be made. How many ways can we split 12 into? Pause the video while you work it out. we could have 1 lot of 12, 12 lots of 1, 3 lots of 4, 4 lots of 3, 2 lots of 6, or 6 lots of 2. So there are lots of ways we could make an array using 12 pegs. How many ways could we split 16 into? Pause the video and work it out. Numbers which don't make rectangular arrays can still be described as 1 lot of. So you can always make a one line of a number. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, then please press the like button below it, because I am always happy to see who liked my video. Also, please subscribe to my channel to know when I will be uploading my next video. My videos include maths lessons, maths games, and maths quizzes and fun stuff like that. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.